I'm not one to sit around shooting the breeze. I get bored too easily, but I do enjoy spending time with my friends. In other words, I don't like sitting around talking about unimportant and trivial things for hours because I get bored too easily, but I do enjoy spending time with my friends. Meaning of the English idiom, shoot the breeze. So to shoot the breeze means to talk or chat idly, casually, and without purpose about unimportant and ordinary things just for the sake of spending time together. Also possible are the variations shoot the bull, throw the bull, and shoot the shit. This last variation is vulgar and should only be used in the most casual of circumstances with the closest of friends. Unlike shooting the breeze, these other variations have a connotation of empty talk, tall tales, or lies. For instance, bull in shoot the bull is short for bullshit. Examples of use. The old men in town always hung out at the park, just playing chess and shooting the breeze. It was great seeing Teddy again. We sat around for hours shooting the breeze, just like the old days. I enjoy being a bartender. I shoot the breeze with my customers and meet new people all the time. Origin of idiom. The word shoot in this idiom is used in a similar way to shooting the rapids, meaning to be sort of carried along by the flow of a conversation with little direction or purpose.